Hi, this is Pete Nelson. This is my video blog, and this one is called Scheduling is a Pain. Where's the Relief? It's natural for a planner, and actually anyone who works in a manufacturing plant, to feel like their job is tough. It really is. Most jobs come with a certain amount of stress and pressure, and planners are right in the middle of it. They have to know what's going on in production almost at all times. They have to be able to work with their purchasing department and vendors. They have to be able to work with sales and customer service to answer their questions on inventory and order status, and they have to be able to work with the production staff and management too. In addition to working well with other employees, production planners have had to develop their own tools and methods to do their job of capacity and materials planning. Some may have had the advantage of coming into a position where spreadsheets are already used for scheduling, or is that a disadvantage? Spreadsheets are great for scheduling because it's fairly easy to put together something that handles the basics for planning and offers an easy way to print out or distribute the schedule too. Companies can also get very sophisticated with their use of linked sheets, macros, color coding, and other advanced techniques. To this day, I'm always amazed at how much of our global economy is planned using spreadsheets. It's really a tribute to a lot of people's hard work that anything gets done. It may also tell us a little something about where APS companies have fallen short in the past. In the early days of APS, having a drag-and-drop visual planning board was supposed to be the next big thing. In many systems, this was the only way that the scheduler could be displayed and manipulated. Users in complex environments probably lost some productivity trying to zoom in and scroll around looking for the information they needed among all the different color-coded blocks. It's good to see that today's systems are providing multiple views for working with information. If the planner is comfortable using rows and columns in a spreadsheet, why not allow them to work with the data in the same way in the APS? This way, all of the power of the APS rules and techniques are available with the true user-friendliness of choosing how to view and change information for any exception management. Another modern software innovation is undo and redo. It's now possible to track every transaction in the planning system so that the master scheduler can decide if that last change is really the best idea or not. The latest systems even allow users to rewind the tape as far back as they need to, undoing multiple actions in a row with a single click. The real benefit here? Users can get much more comfortable using the APS because they know that they can undo any action. Experimentation encourages learning, and being able to try out changes without worrying is a great thing. Let's face it, going from a spreadsheet to an advanced planning and scheduling system is a big leap for most of us, so every little bit helps. So flexible displays, unlimited undo and redo, and what if scenarios are all fantastic software features that you might not get in the spreadsheet-based environment. Today's software alone is not going to solve anyone's problems completely, but it's a tool that increases productivity. Why isn't it in everyone's toolbox? There needs to be a good connection between the end users and the vendor at all stages of the relationship. Many technology sellers get lost in the functionality of their software and almost forget who they're trying to help. It's vital that the software vendor provides the right balance of service to their customers, listening first and offering expert advice to take their customers to new levels of productivity. Planners and manufacturers have a tough road ahead of them, and their APS vendor needs to be able to deliver software and services at levels unheard of in recent history. Thanks for watching.